下午6時45分，香港電台最新一節風暴消息。香港天文台發出最新熱帶氣旋警報，9號烈風或暴風風力增強信號喺下午6時20分發出。預料當蘇拉接近香港嘅時候，本港風力顯著增強。喺下午6點，超強颱風蘇拉集結喺香港天文台之東南偏東約90公里，即北緯21.9度、東經114.9度附近。預料向西或西北偏西移動，時速約12公里，移向珠江口一帶。超強颱風蘇拉嘅眼壁現位於香港天文台以東約30公里，並逐漸逼近本港。本港普遍吹烈風，離岸間中吹暴風，部分高地達颶風程度。與蘇拉相關嘅狂風大驟雨正影響本港。按現時嘅預測路徑，蘇拉會喺午夜前後喺香港天文台以南約40公里左右掠過，本港將由吹偏北風逐漸轉吹東至東南風，原本受遮蔽嘅地方可能會變得當風，市民需保持高度警覺。天文台會視乎本地風力變化，評估是否需要發出10號颶風信號。受風暴潮影響，沿岸低洼地區嘅水位今晚起將急速上升。晚上約9時開始，本港東部沿海嘅地區水位會上升，當中吐露港嘅最高水位預計於接近午夜升至海圖基準面以上約6米左右，比平常嘅潮位增加約4米，最高水位可能達至歷史紀錄。威脅最大嘅地區包括沙田、大埔、沙頭角、西貢等，會出現嚴重水浸，部分地區水浸深度或超過1米。本港各沿岸地區嘅水位亦會喺明日9月2號早上約6時開始顯著上升。維多利亞港嘅最高水位將會升至海圖基準面以上約3米多。沿岸低洼地區如鯉魚門比正常潮位增加至1.5米，而大埔水位則會升至海圖基準面以上約3.5米，比正常潮位增加接近2米。海面有巨浪及湧浪，市民應遠離岸邊，切勿進行水上活動。喺過去1小時，橫瀾島、大老山及長洲分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時97、90及80公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時120、117及113公里。有關最新天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分及踏正之最新資訊。
At past 6 in the evening, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. Here is the latest tropical cyclone warning bulletin issued by the Hong Kong Observatory. The increasing Gaylor storm signal number 9 was issued at 6:20 in the evening. This means that winds are expected to increase significantly as Xiaola moves closer to Hong Kong. At 6 p.m., Super Typhoon Xiaola was centered about 90 kilometers east-southeast of Hong Kong Observatory, which is near 21.9 degrees north, 114.9 degrees east, and is forecast to move west or west-northwest at about 12 kilometers per hour towards the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. The eye wall of Super Typhoon Xiaola, now about 30 kilometers to the east of the Hong Kong Observatory, is edging towards Hong Kong. Gale force winds are generally affecting the territory, with occasional storm force winds offshore and hurricane force winds on parts of the high ground. Squally heavy showers associated with Saola are affecting the territory. According to the present forecast track, Xiaola will be closest to Hong Kong around midnight, skirting within around 40 kilometers south of the Hong Kong Observatory. Northerly winds will change gradually to east to southeasterlies locally. Areas which were previously sheltered may become exposed. Members of the public should stay on high alert. The observatory will assess the need for issuing the hurricane signal number 10, depending on the local wind changes. Under the influence of storm surge, the water level in low-lying coastal areas will rise rapidly tonight. The water level in the eastern coastal waters of the territory will increase from around 9 p.m. tonight, among which the water level at Tola Harbor will reach a high water level of around 6 meters above shore datum near midnight, which is about 4 meters higher than the normal tide level. The maximum water level may reach a historical record. The worst hit areas include Sha Tin, Tai Po, Sha Tau Kok, Sai Kung, etc. There will be serious flooding. The flood depth in some areas may be more than 1 meter. The water levels over other coastal areas of Hong Kong will also start to rise significantly from around 6 a.m. tomorrow. The maximum water level at Victoria Harbor will be some 3 meters above shore datum. The water level in low-lying coastal areas such as Lei Yu Mun will be around 1.5 meters higher than the normal tide level. The water level at Tayo will reach around 3.5 meters above shore datum, which is nearly 2 meters above the normal tide level. Seas will be high with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Waglan Island, Tatescairn and Chung Show were 97, 90 and 80 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 120, 117, and 113 kilometers per hour respectively. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio in every hours at 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。